What if you had to make a 5-minute film on the topic Jamaica 50, Rebirth of a Nation? How about having only 24 hours to put it together from scratch? It seemed like no big deal for participants in the 24-hour film competition at this year's Reggae Film Festival.
It's really good when we as Jamaicans can write our stories and push out our talents, our acting, our story writing, because we can do it too. It's just up for us to get up and do it.
We have another 50 years to look forward to, so we have to ensure that what we're putting in now is going to blossom and bloom into something that is even better and greater.
This is the land of my birth.
The short film Take Me to the Ball walked away with this year's top honors.
Absolutely beautiful to me. You look like the Jamaican queen.
This is why I added my pearls, to bring some class to the occasion. Now I am ready for the Jamaica 50 ball.
Apart from the 5-minute competition, festival organizers have always encouraged ordinary Jamaicans and others to showcase Jamaica and Jamaican stories their way. It's attracting more significance in light of the island's golden jubilee.
50 years of our independence is more than just 50 years of liberation from the colonial masters, but 50 years of our potential, 50 years of what we have to offer to the world, our culture, our religion, our thought, our spirit, and our humanity.
Hello.
Hi, yeah, I'm so sorry I can't meet you today, so maybe another time.
You know, say, kill this with a phone, man.
Too much gangster crime and violent movie coming out of Jamaica. And we're there for more than that. We're there for more essential reasons and purposes. So we're there to talk about the single parent mother who face it hard with the 3 children. They may get me answer. So these are the things we want to elaborate upon and show the world. So yeah, we're more than just crime and violence.
A lot of non-Jamaicans are making films about Jamaican culture, especially our musical culture. So this shows that there is a value not just in our culture, but in making films about our culture.
Hello, this is Michael. Can you come into my office? I need to speak with you. What? You've basically been fired. 20 years, John.
Many people do not know Jamaican films. And films about Jamaica, films that use reggae music, films that show all kinds of ways of what we've done as Jamaican people.
Get them to sing your song, and they'll want to know who you are.
Showcasing our culture on screen isn't just about selling what Jamaica itself has to offer. How about celebrating significant contributions made by Jamaicans across the world?
All that I have felt, all that I have experienced.
This year's festival premiered the documentary Sing Your Song, a refreshing take on the life and work of an individual whose exploits offstage many wouldn't have realized.
The men's room, I heard a voice behind me says, "You let go and drop, you're a dead nigga." It was never my intention to be a singer, but as fate would have it.
It was touching, it was informational, and I learned things I never knew, both about Harry Belafonte and about the US and everything he's been involved with, and of course about Jamaica. It was touching.
It gives the people a sense of pride and a sense of cultural identity, and it sort of gives you the impulse to be productive, to be good, to be supportive, to do something for your country, and to reach somewhere in life.
The festival has been in the business of premiering films since its inception. Documentaries such as Why Do Jamaicans Run So Fast and Bob Marley, The Making of a Legend had their first showing there, moving on to international success. In its 5-year history, the festival has kick-started or advanced the careers of many, brought countless to our shores to create their own interpretations of our island and culture, and has, in partnership with others, helped to create a local film industry that will continue to blossom.